Shri Gurubhya Namaka children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 11, exercise 11.5. Fourth sum, the probability that a certain kind of component will survive a electrical test is 3 by 4. Find the probability that exactly 3 of the 5 component tested survive. That is 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5, that is n value, you can take it as 5, n equal to 5, that x value exactly 3 means p of x equal to 3. So here what is the probability? P equal to probability of P equal to probability of a component survive. P equal to probability of a component survive after the test. Probability of the component P equal to probability of a component. Probability of a component survive. Components survive after the test. Survive after test. Components after test. Probability of a component survive after test. So that p value, it is given as what? 3 by 4, because will survive a electrical test is what? 3 by 4. So p value equal to 3 by 4. What is the q value? Q can takes the value 1 minus p, which implies 1 minus 3 by 4. Q equal to 4 minus 3 by 4. The value is equal to 1 by 4. The value is equal to 1 by 4. Let x be the random variable, denotes number of survive components. Let x be the random variable, denotes the survive, denotes x be the random variable, denotes number of survive components. So you can take it as x value, small x value equal to 3. You know the formula. What is the formula? Binomial formula. P of x equal to x, ncx, p power x, q power n minus x. See, q power n minus x. P of x equal to x, ncx, p power x, q power n minus x. Q power n minus x. So you can take the value. We can take the value p of x equal to, because what is the first one? They're asking 3 out of 5. So exactly x value equal to 3. So p of x equal to 3 equal to ncx. ncx. So you can take x value equal to 3, because exactly 3 survived. P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. What is the n value? N value is nothing but what? 5 C3. 5 C3. P value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, the whole power 3, and q value is 1 by 4 whole power 5 minus 3, whole power 5 minus 3. 5C3. So it gives 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 by 4 whole power 3 into 1 by 4 whole square. So 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So the value is 10 into. The value is exactly 3 survive. So P of x equal to 3. 10 into 3 cube. 10 into 3 cube by 4 cube. 3 cube by 4 cube into 1 by 4 square. So 10 into 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 by 4 cube. 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 into 1 by 16. So the answer is 270 by 1000 24. P of x equal to 3. So the answer is what? Exactly 3 survive equal to 270 by 1024. We move on to the fifth sum. A retailer purchases a certain kind of electronic device from a manufacturer. The manufacturer indicates that the defective device rate is 5 percentage. That is, defective rate is 5 percentage. The inspector of the retailer randomly picks 10 items, that is n equal to 10, from a shipment. What is the probability that there will be at least one defective item? At least one defective item. Here you can take it as, because they are asking about the defective item, means you don't think P is always a probability of good. What are the questions they will ask? That value you can take it as a P. See here, what is the probability of defective item? So you can take it as P is the probability of defective item. P is the probability of item. The question, what they are asking, that value you can take it as P. P equal to probability of a defective item. Probability of a defective item. P equal to probability of a defective item. Probability of a defective item. P equal to, then n equal to 10. N equal to 10. X can takes the random variable, denotes capital X be the random variable, capital X be the random variable. Random variable denotes, like capital X be the random variable, denotes number of defective items, denotes number of defective items, number of defective items, number of defective items, number of defective items. So what are the cases we are going to see? P equal to 5 percentage, because the defective item they are mentioned as what? 5 percentage. 5 percentage is P equal to 5 by 100. It gives 0.05. 0.05. Q equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.05. It gives 0.95. 0.95. So at least one defective. What is the first subdivision we are going to see? See, at least one defective item. What is that? At least. N equal to 10. At least means greater than or equal to. At least one defective item. At least one defective item. One defective item. At least one defective item. So here P of x greater than or equal to 1. P of x greater than or equal to 1, it is not possible. We can write all the values 1 to 10, because n equal to 10. X can takes the value 1 to, x can takes the value 0 to n. So P of x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, it goes on up to 10. It is not possible. So you will write 1 minus P of x less than 1. 1 minus P of x less than 1. What is the value? 1 minus P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0. So 1 minus NC naught, that is 10C naught P power. P value is 0.05 whole power no 0. Then Q power 0 power, yeah, 0.95 whole power 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0. So it gives 1 minus 10 C naught value is what? 1. 0.05 whole power 0, the value is 1. Then 0.95, the whole power 10 minus 0 is 10. So what is the value for P of x greater than or equal to 1? 1 minus 0.95, the whole power 10. 1 minus 0.95, the whole power 10. Then the next one is exactly two defective items. exactly two defective items. Exactly means P of x equal to 2. Exactly two defective items. P of x equal to 2. So NCx, NC2, small x is 2. P power 0 0.05, 0.05. P power x, x value is 2, and Q power n minus x, that is 0.95 whole power 10 minus 2. So 10C2, 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 0.05 the whole square, 0.95 the whole power 8. 2 ones are 2 fives are, so 45. 45 into 0.05, the whole square is nothing but what? 0.25 into 0.95. 0.95 the whole power 8. 0.95 the whole power 8. See the next one, next question. See the next question, sixth question. If the probability that a fluorescent light has a useful life of at least 600 hours is 0.9, find the probability that among 12 such lights, exactly 10 will have a useful life of at least 600 hours, and at least 11 will have a life of at least 600 hours, and at least 2 will not have a useful life of at least 600 hours. So here given as P equal to probability of P equal to probability of probability P equal to probability of useful life, probability of useful life, probability of useful life, that n equal to, what is the n they have given? 12 fluorescent light, 12 such light. So n value equal to 12. Then P equal to 0.9, P equal to 0.9, Q equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.9, 1 minus 0.9 equal to 0.1. So let x be the random variable. Let capital X be the random variable. Let capital X be the random variable. Random variable. Let capital X be the random variable. Random variable denotes useful life of useful life useful useful life of at least 600 hours, life of at least 600 hours of a light, at least 600 hours, 600 hours of a 600 hours of a light, 600 hours of a light. Okay. See, children. So, what is the first one? Exactly 10 will have a useful life of at least 600. Exactly 10. The first subdivision is what? Exactly 10 will have a useful life. You will have a useful life of at least 600 hours. So, you can take it as P of x equal to 10. What is the formula for binomial formula? P of x equal to x, NCx, P power x, Q power n minus x, where n can takes x can takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. n. So P of x equal to 10 equal to 12C10, 12C10, because n value is 0.9 whole power 10 and 0.1 whole power 12 minus 10. 12C10, you can write it in such a way: 12C 12 minus 10. 12C 12 minus 10 and 0.9 whole power 10 and 0.1 the whole square, 0.1 the whole square. 12C2, 12C2, 0.9 whole power 10 and 0.1 the whole square. 12C2 is 12 into 11 by 1 into 2. 2 ones are C2 6 are into 0.9 whole power 10 into 0.01. 0.01. So 66 into 66. 66 into, so 0.66 into 0.9 whole power 10. 0.66 into 0.9 whole power 10, exactly 10. Exactly 10 will have a useful useful 10 will have a useful life of at least 600 hours. Then at least 11. At least 11 means what? P of x greater than or equal to 11. So it is possible because the n value is 12 only. So you can write P of x equal to 11 plus P of x equal to 12 because the n value is 12. You don't write 1 minus P of x less than level. It is not possible to write 0 to 10 because it takes time. So 12C NC not 12C11 P power x 0.9 whole power 11, then Q 0.1 whole power 11, 0.11 0.1 whole power 12 minus 11 plus 12C12 0.9 whole power 12 and 0.1 whole power 12 minus 12. 12C11, you will write 12C12 minus 11, 0.9 whole power 11, 0.1 whole power 1 plus 0.1 whole power 1. So plus you can write plus 0 point plus 12C12. 12C12 value is what? 1 into 0.9 whole power 12, 0.1 whole power 0. So 12C1 0.9 whole power 11 into 0.1 whole power 1 plus 0.9 whole power 12 into anything to the power 0 is 1. 12C1 is 12 into 0.1 is what? 1.2 into 0.9 whole power 11 plus 0.9 whole power 12. 0.9 whole power 12. So you can take it as commonly out of 0.9 whole power 11. So you can take it as commonly out 0.9 whole power 11. You can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 1.2 plus 0.9. 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.9. So it gives 0.9 whole power 11 into 2.1. P of x greater than or equal to 11. P of x greater than or equal to 11. P of x greater than or equal to 11. See the next subdivision. What is the third subdivision? Third subdivision is at least two will not have a useful life of at least 600 hours. Two will not have. Two will not have. Each two will not have a useful life of at least 600 hours. So that meaning is what? Two will not have is what? P of x less than 11. P of x less than 11 because 2 will not have. 12 minus 2 is 10. Either you can write P of x less than or equal to 10 or x less than 11. So P of at least, P of at least 2 will not, 2 will not, 2 will not. So it gives P of 1 minus P of x greater than or equal to 11. So we already got the value of p of x greater than or equal to 11 value. What is that? 1 minus 2.1 into 0.9 whole power 11. 1 minus 2.1 into 0.9 whole power 11. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.